Here's how to reset the service light or oil change interval on your Seat Ateca, Arona, Tarraco, Ibiza, 2020 to 2025, in just 5 easy steps. 1. Turn on the ignition by pressing the Start-Stop Engine button once. 2. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, enter the menu on the display and go to the fuel pump icon. 3. Go to range using the OK button and select it by pressing once. 4. Then press the OK button again and hold it for at least 10 seconds to enter the service menu. From the service menu, select Reset Oil Service and at the question Reset Oil Change Service, press the OK button again. The message Service Interval Reset will confirm that the service interval or oil change has been reset. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.